In this work, we achieved, for the first time, the joint camera and subject registration task without the camera calibration. Existing multi-view object registration work is either based on camera calibration or relies on the detection results in real area images from the joint. Both approaches face deployment difficulties and limited applicability. So, we are exploring the possibility of solving the camera and subject registration problem without camera calibration or real bird's-eye view, to make it an end-to-end framework like this one. The challenges of this task are clear. The first challenge is getting the camera registration without camera calibration, only with several first-person views. The second challenge is how to generate the registration results without the real bird's-eye view and perform registration on a generated bird's-eye view. Here, we will demonstrate how we accomplish this challenging task. Our method takes multiple first-person views as input. To address the lack of real top view, we propose a learnable view transform detection module that transforms first-person views to a virtual bird's-eye view. Next, to tackle the camera registration problem without camera calibration, we introduce a spatial alignment module that employs spatial geometry transformation to obtain candidate camera registration results. In the registration module, we further optimize the camera and subject registration results for improved accuracy. Additionally, we utilize the spatial relationships of subjects in registered bird's-eye view to build a self-supervised subject association training strategy. To make the experiment, we introduce a synthetic dataset and a real dataset, both of which are richly annotated and diverse in scenes. We name this dataset CSRD, Camera and Subject Registration Dataset. Experimental results demonstrate that our method significantly outperforms various baseline methods in both camera registration and subject registration tasks. The proposed self-supervised approach is also highly effective, and cross-domain experiments on the real dataset yield promising results as well. From the visualized results, it is evident that our registration results closely match the ground truth and resemble the scenes from the real top view perspective. In the cross-domain experiments on the real dataset, we observe that apart from an association error, the overall experiment results closely resemble the real bird's-eye view perspective. Thanks for watching.